What's up, YouTube? It's been a while since I recorded. But I got sitting in front of me is a new swap for the Corolla. I'll show you guys right now. 1.8 3 TC. I'm gonna start taking apart here in a few minutes. I'm gonna take all of this off. Gonna go a whole full rebuild on it. Plans on it is to go all motor. Maybe nitrous build. Maybe. I wanted to show you guys this motor right here. It's a Conquest motor. It's going into the Conquest that we're working on. But yeah, guys, this is the new build. I'm about to start making videos on building this engine from the bottom up. Hope you guys enjoy. Nice. Well, guys, that's the new motor. This is it right here. Completely stripped it down. Ready for the whole rebuild. Start ordering parts real soon for it. Here's the Conquest I was talking about. It's a customer's car. Rebuilding the whole engine for him. It's a pretty clean car all around. It's a turbo one, so look at this interior, bro. This interior is like brand new. 45,000 original miles. That's crazy. But yeah, guys, that's the new motor. Hope you guys enjoy this build series. See you guys next time.
Missouri.